Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to start a series on the Linux, and we are going to start from the basic, from the what is Linux to the installations to the administrative level, and we are going in detail. And this series will be going to take a long time because we are going to run a parallel the S series also. So this will be a going to a in the few months. So let's start the Linux. So welcome to the Linux course on the Learn and Pass official. Now let's talk about the what is operating system. If you are talking about the operating system, if you see this diagram, operating system lies between here. It is something between the hardware and the user. If I simply define the operating system, an operating system is a software. You can see it is a software that acts as a bridge between the computer hardware and the computer user. It is something a bridge, or you can say that it is something a middle man, like between the computer hardware and the computer user. Okay, it provides the user interface and control the computer hardware so that the software can function. Okay, there are various type of operating system is present. If you're talking about the Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Mac operating system, these all are the, if you're talking about the mobile, the Android is also operating system. Okay, so these are the various type of operating system if you are talking about the types of operating system. So this is the simple definition of the operating system. The operating system is a something act between the something the computer hardware and the user. Okay, now if you're talking about the Linux, the where the Linux basically lies, the Linux is a free open source operating system. It is free, you can download free from the internet, that we are going to download in the upcoming classes, and it is easy to use. It is stable, it provides the enhanced security and faster processing. Lots of the Linux feature is there. I am not including these all features here because you can just go and download on the go and Google on the uh, on on the internet, where you will get the all Linux feature that is listed. Lots of will be you are going to get. So you can just go and read it. There is no nothing thing to include here. Okay, now coming to l- what about before the Linux? If you're talking about the before the Linux, what was there? Before Linux came into picture, there was a Unix. Unix basically come into picture in 1969, and it was also a good platform, and still nowadays also we are using the Linux. But if you coming comparing the Linux and Unix, the Unix come on the top because in the upcoming in the past few years they are trending, and they are making the good work and everything. If you are working like that in every industry, if you are working whether the government sector or the private sector, and whether the any industry where we are you may be seeing, you are using the Linux. Okay, without it, there is nothing possible, and it will be hard to relate it. Okay, from every industry you will get the Linux thing. Okay, now coming to the what is the difference between the Linux and Unix. If you just Google on that what is difference, you will get a difference. So that's thing I'm not going to cover much here. I'm just giving you the brief. Listen, Linux is a open source and free to use. Matlab you can get the license, you can get the Linux from the internet easily, where the Unix is the require licensing, and it requires some costing. If you want to get the Unix server, and it requires some cost, and if it and you need to pay something. But for the Linux it is open, and you don't need to pay, and it is easy to use. Okay, then after few year Linux came into picture, and it most of the thing taken from the Unix itself. the code thing taken from the Unix, and after that it was some modification done, and Linux came into picture. And from that time to till now, it is getting trending and it is getting increased. So these are the thing, basically difference between Linux and Unix. If you are want to go more detailing, just go and Google it, you will get a detail. Okay, so now in the upcoming classes we are going to see the more detail on the Linux and the things, and we are going to various commands and administrative thing and everything you are going to cover in detail. Okay, so don't need to worry, just wait and see what we are going to learn. Okay, thanks for watching the video. If you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe it. Thank you.